Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to mute someone else's Instagram account on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go find which account that you want to mute. So it must be someone you followed, so you just need to go into your profile and come into the following and just open the profile of someone's on that you want to mute. And after that, you just need to take a look on these features. There will be a following and message. So to mute the account, you just need to go into this following, go click it, and then there will be pop up several options here. And if you want to mute this account, go click this mute, and you can choose what type of content that you want to mute. If you want to mute for the short stories only, just need to go click the stories and then you're done. So that's the way how to mute someone else on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.